Welcome back, Boogie fans. Today, we're covering a common question received here at Boogey HQ. Can my LED strip be cut to size? In short, yes. However, there's a couple things you want to be mindful of when cutting your Boogey Lights LED strip. First, you'll want to make sure your light series is capable of being trimmed. Our standard LED strip, which comes in our RV kits, can be cut along a designated cut point every 3 LEDs. This area is located between the set of 4 copper solder pads along the printed circuit board. After successfully cutting the strip, you'll want to protect the exposed printed circuit board from any moisture or faulty contact. There are a number of options for this. We recommend applying a small piece of heat shrink tubing around the end, as seen on your original order. However, you can also apply silicone, epoxy, or similar sealant to protect the strip. Note, our heavy-duty and high-density LED strips cannot be cut at all. If you have any questions, please call our technical support before making alterations to your Boogey Lights. And that's it for cutting your LED strips. Thanks for watching, and if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, do not hesitate to give us a call at 800-847-1359 or visit us online at boogielights.com. Light 'em up and travel safe.